Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare veg sandwiches. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are I have taken 4 slices of bread. This is a normal bread that we have for our daily breakfast. Here I have taken a little bit of tomato ketchup. This is the ready-made tomato ketchup. Here I have taken butter, mozzarella cheese. If you don't have mozzarella cheese, you can also grate cheese cubes and use in this. Green bell pepper, that is capsicum. You can also use red and yellow. Here I have taken sweet corn, onion. I have chopped the onions, and now here I have oregano and chili flakes. Now this is optional, friends. I add this to my pizza, to my sandwiches, because it will give a little bit of pizza taste. So this is optional. If you don't want this, you don't need to add them. So let's get started with the sandwiches. The first step that we are going to do is we are going to apply this ketchup on our bread. Okay, let's put the ketchup on our bread. On all the 4 slices. This will give a nice taste to our sandwiches. Now I'm going to add the vegetables. The onion, and here goes the sweet corn. You can increase or reduce the amount of veggies you want in your sandwich. I like sweet corn. Now I'm going to put the mozzarella cheese. Add lots of mozzarella cheese. I'm using the diced one that is easily available in the market. And then now I will put this over it and press it. Press it. We'll apply butter on top of it. Same thing for this bread also. The next step is we'll heat our pan. So here I have heated this pan. I'll put little butter just to grease the pan. And then now I will place my sandwiches. Here the butter, I have applied butter this side, so I will put that side down, and here also. And now I will apply butter this side, the opposite side of the bread. Just roughly apply a little butter so that when we toast it, it will have a lovely texture and flavor. Now remember, when you're doing this, do it on a low flame or else the sandwiches will get burnt. And now cover this and let it get cooked for 30 seconds on a medium flame. Now after 30 seconds, I will open the lid and I will just turn my sandwich, flip my sandwich. Nice and golden it has become. And I will cover and cook this for another 30 seconds. Now after cooking it for 30 seconds, I'll remove the lid, put off the flame and remove the lid. And then now I will take it out in the plate. Both the sides are perfectly roasted. And now I'm going to cut the sandwiches into halves. So now I have cut them into halves. See? Our yummy cheese sandwiches, pizza type, is ready. So now let's serve them. So here is our yummy sandwiches ready. As you can see, full of veggies, mozzarella cheese, and very yummy and tasty sandwich. So it's a quick and easy recipe that you can prepare any time of the day. You can also pack this in the lunch box for the children. See? I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. See you soon, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.